what is rational number? First question is, what is rational number? Before solving the sums, addition, subtraction, multiplication, fraction, we must know what is rational number. Example, directly we take the example. 2 is always rational number, 3 is also rational number, minus 7 is also rational number, and 2 upon 3 is also rational number, minus 5 upon 4 is also rational number. So basically we feel problem in addition and subtraction of rational number fractions. You can see these two are fractions, and fraction are the part of rational number. Sometimes we don't know what is the difference between fraction and rational number. So fraction are the part of rational number. Okay, fractions are not rational number. Okay, here you can see 2 is also a rational number, minus 7 is also a rational number, and 5 upon 4 is also a rational number. So now basically we are dealt with fractions where we feel problem or difficulty in adding the fraction. Number 2, when we can add the fractions. For example, you have 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 9. Now in these fractions we can add when only if they are like. The first and foremost rule, like or unlike. How we identify whether they are like or not like? By checking their denominator. By checking their denominator. For example, if I take the example of like and unlike, you can see like means, for example, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, they are like, since they have same denominator. So like means same denominator, and when they are like, if you are asked to find their sum, then simply we write the denominator 7 and we add the numerator. Simply we will get 5 by 7. So we can add or subtract like fraction. Okay. Now we take some more things. Now in case of a rational number, we must know how the integer behaves. Behavior of positive or negative sign with the rational number or with the fractions. Here we are dealing with the fractions. So we must know the behavior. Behavior in case of addition and subtraction. For example, there are 4 possibilities. Number 1, minus 7 plus 8. Number 2, plus 7 minus 8. Number 3, minus 7 minus 8. Number 4, plus 7 plus 8. There are 4 possibilities in case of 2 integers. So we must know how they behave. Now in this case, there are 2 things, value and the symbol. Now as far as value is concerned, whenever there is opposite sign, we simply subtract. Opposite sign, plus minus, subtract. Same sign, we will add. Same sign, we will add. This is about the value. Whenever there is opposite sign, we simply subtract from the bigger number. So 8 minus 7, 1. In second case also 8 minus 7. In third case same sign, so we will add. Now second thing, what will be the symbol? Symbol is always of the greater number. Maximum confusion is when we have opposite sign. Here you can see minus is plus. So we will take the symbol of 8 since 8 is greater. Here symbol of again 8, so this is minus. So if both have the same sign, minus, so no issue, we will put minus. If both are plus, we will put plus. So this is the behavior of integer in addition and subtraction. Whenever we are taking the rational number, we must be very clear about this thing. Number 2, in case of multiplication. What do you mean by multiplication? I will tell you one by one. Multiplication means, for example, two things. Four cases, again one. Whenever we have bracket represents multiplication. There are four possibilities: minus, plus 3, number 2, minus, minus 3, number 3, plus, minus 3, 4, plus, plus 3. We generally don't write positive sign. Okay. So in this four possibility, value will remain same. Answer is always 3. No doubt about that. Here the problem raises in case of symbol. Now, whenever opposite sign minus plus, we put minus. Same sign minus minus, that is plus. Opposite sign minus. Same sign plus. This is about the symbol. So there are two things: addition and subtraction. Second, multiplication. So in multiplication, there is one more condition. When we have two numbers, for example, I will take it here. For example, if you have four possibilities in case of multiplication, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we have two numbers, minus 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, then minus 2 and 3. The last is both are positive, 2 into 3. In all case, value will remain same, 6. Since it is multiplication, so value will come. The main concern is the symbol. Now you can see in this case, minus minus plus. Opposite sign minus. Opposite sign minus. Both are plus plus. We generally don't write positive symbol. Simply 6. So this is the second case or the part of the multiplication. First part and second condition of multiplication. Okay. Now the last part is division. Now what do you mean by division? In case of division of integers, division in integers or fractions. For example, there are four possibilities: minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, or 2 upon minus 3, or minus 2 upon minus 3. Okay. So here you can see this is minus 2 upon 3. Here this is also minus. Whether we write the negative sign with the numerator or separately, it has same meaning. Also in this case also we have symbol in the denominator. So we never write the symbol in the denominator. We bring it to the numerator. These two are same things. It can be explained also. That is, if you multiply by minus for numerator and denominator, it will convert it, numerator will be negative. Okay. Now third thing, now when both are negative, that means they get cancelled and it will become plus. So this is in case of division. Behavior of integer in case of division. We conclude if there is one single sign like here. So we can write here. In this case also and in this case also. But in case of this, when both are negative, we make it positive. So this is about division. Now we come to the how we add the rational number. First, now addition and subtraction of rational number, or we mean fraction. So maximum problem is with the fraction. Now again I write it like. We add only if they are like. If they are not like, we cannot. For example, 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 9. Yeah. Whether they are like? No, we cannot add them. So what? How we add them? Simple thing. First, you have to check whether they are like. If they are unlike, second thing we check. First, we check whether they are like or unlike. Number one. Number two, you have to check whether they are co-prime or not. Whether they are co-prime or not. If they are not co-prime, I will come to why I am talking about co-prime. Then third, we take LCM. Okay. Then the fourth step, we make the denominator same. Okay. And or we make them like. Making them like. Then fifth step, we will add or subtract. So these steps we have to follow. Okay. Now I come to one by one. Now for example, I will take it 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 3. Now rule number 1, like or unlike, they are unlike. Second thing, whether they are co-prime, yes they are co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime means if we 4, find, see the factor of 4, 2 into 2. Factor of 3, 1 into 3. So if you find anything common, no, nothing common. We can see only 1 is common. So they are co-prime. So in case of co-prime, LCM is we can get it directly by multiplying these two. That is LCM is 12. So make it 12. How can? Simply multiply 4 by the 3 and 3 by 4. Here also 3, here also 4. So 9 upon 12 plus 20 upon 12. Simple. In case of, it is easy in case of co-prime. Simply you have to multiply the denominator. Now they are like. If they are like, we add the numerator 20 plus 9 upon 12 or 29 upon 12. Number 1. Now, if they are not co-prime, second case condition, we will take it. For example, 3 upon 12 plus 5 upon 8. Now they are not co-prime. If you are able to find it co-prime, then it's good. If you are not able to find it, simply go for LCM. What do you mean by LCM? The last step is LCM. Take LCM. Since they are not like, so we take LCM to make the denominator same. LCM means 12, 8, you can see. Then 2, 6 ja, 2, 4 ja, 2, 3 ja, 2, 2 ja, 2, 1, then 3, 1, 1. So we multiply 1, 2, 3 and 4. LCM is 24. So product of 24. So here we LCM is 24. So we make it 24. How can you, by what number I multiply this to make it 24? By 2. So how we come to know though it is 2? Simple, divide this LCM by this number. If you want to by what number this is multiplied to get it 24, so again divide this 24 by 8 by this number. Then we come to know that by what, for example, 8 3 is 24. That means 3 is the number If you multiply this by 3, it will become 24. Same with the denominator also. Now it is 6 upon 24 and 15 upon 24. So now they are like. So what you will do? 6 plus 15 upon 24. 21 upon 24. So in this we get add the fractions. Okay. Now we take one more example. For example, we have 4 upon 9 plus 8 upon 12. So how you find the LCM? Simple. 9, 12, you take it here. Then 3, 3 ja 9, 3, 4 ja. Then 3, 1 ja, 4 ja. Then 4, 1, 1. LCM 3 into 3 into 4. That is 36. So we have to make it 36. Okay. So simply by what number this is to be multiplied? Divide 36 by 9. You can see 9 4 is 36. So we need to multiply this by 4. So by what we multiply 12? Again 36 divided by 12. 12 3 is 36. That is 3. So we can write directly upon 36. Here you can write 4 4 is 16. Here you can write 24. Need not to write again and again. If you multiply, you will get 40 upon 36. So in this way, we used to add the rational number, or you can say fraction. As I told you, fraction are the part of rational number. Okay. So one more example I will take it. For example, if you have only one fraction, 7 upon 3, and if you have one second number like 3 this side, what to do? Simply this can be written as 3 upon 1. And the same rule, 3 and 1 LCM is 3. So we need not to do anything in this part. It is already 3. So we will make it this 3. How you can make it 3? Multiply this by 3. So this will become 7 and this will become 9. 16 upon 3. So this way we used to add such numbers. Okay. Now I will end the video here. These all about the basics of rational number, or how we add the fractions or rational number. Okay.